広がる闇の中交し合った革命のちぎり誰にも邪魔させるわ Anyway
Yes, let's go.
I'm trying to decipher what the f that thing
I actually don't know how to play this. Oh yeah, it's Turok. What the hell is this? Wow! Bitch!
Aika evil of you. Disable on tän.
Ah!
Mä olin jumissa. Couldn't jump off. That niin sad. I can't be Omni-Man.
I won't let you be Omni-Man this time. Well, why do you have the same thing?
Aloita.
Cube of Doom.
Let's go. I love that to notably unbind me from this world, bro. Se on vitun paskalla puolella.
Well.
Plus 1 million aura.
Son of a bitch, how am I supposed to defeat you?
Otattiin, että on itse tähän pelottava.
Burn! Die! No, man! Hey! Mamma mia.
On niin paska paikka olla, koska
Wow! Yo, motherfucker. Yo, motherfucker. Bowling. You can't defeat me. Wow, she can! You pussy!
What do you mean I'm the bro?
Yeah, kill yourself, bro.
That's really mean of you. Why would you say that?
Get your ass over here!
Mutta vähän vaikeeta. No tuu sit vittu.
Wow! Oh, motherfucker! No! That's so OP, I hate it, bro. What? I guess I have to nuke. Yes!
I did not
Lucky
see that,
me, bro. Calamity gets you, man.
Okay, bro, you are not one of you.
I am, bro. Alright. You wanna see this coming? Hey. What the f-
I don't miss.
Okay, bullseye.
I'm failure admitted to see where you are.
Okay, bullseye.
You.
Bye-bye. I can't even leave with
actually
this.
called.
I genuinely can't leave with this thing, by the way.
I'm actually called Larpsai.
You have no defeat in this battle. Son of a bitch.
What to do, bro?
Don't say that, bro! Oh, what? How did I die?
You crushed yourself. Oh yeah.
How?
By crushing yourself.
I made it smaller!
It's simple physics, Procaccini, Cappuccini.
Wait. What? Oh shit, I got a bomb with me.
How did you do that, bro?
I didn't know it did that, bro. Oh, you f***ed up, boy. I don't know how to kill you, bro.
No bit. At least you got a move that can do damage.
I can't even do my moves!
You have to be in air, bro. Procaccini, Cappuccini.
Motherfucker!
This is actually all a part of my brilliance.
No!
See that? I knew you'd do that so I disappear.
Shut up, bro.
I'm actually...
Okay.
Kage Kira.
Why you sound Kira, bro? Well, Kira, I will take these nuts! Bowling.
I knew that would miss, so I didn't even bother to dodge it.
What? Well. Motherfucker!
Nyt painuu vittu.
Wow! I was so cool. By the way, you had Sonic.
I know. I'm just Kage Kira, bro, siinä.
He's not. Oh my. Bro, I give up. These some. That's ass abilities, bro. These some ass abilities. I can't do
I
this.
actually knew you'd do that. I actually predicted that you'd do that.
Okay, bro. Why do you have beam? No! Like, I hate that ability, bro.
Tosta, kato.
Won't work on me, genius.
Mä niinku...
Yo! I was doing myself there. Oh shit! What the f—
I knew that is too easy. Making this too easy for me.
I didn't have the worst abilities, I swear. Look at this shit, bro. I ain't Indiana Jones, bro. Oh, bro. Bro, what is this? Why do you have the abducts? I'll grab the hook on it. Yes! I got rid of my plan. I got rid of my plan. Oh! Oh, you messed up, boy.
Black balls.
Goodbye, Kira. There's no winning this. Yeah, let's kill each other. You'll win this, though. Is anyone gonna defeat you? Let me out! Yeah, I Shut the f up!
This is
Oh
too
my God.
easy, rage bait.
Oh shit, it's this man! You motherf—
I knew that would happen. This time will stop to make you panic.
Ah! What is his moveset? I guess it's fine. I guess this is fine. I guess.
Make this grow. That was too easy. I knew you were exactly right there at the exact time.
I gotta shoot someone. How many is unlucky? What is his moveset? What in God's name could I do with this moveset?
Oh motherfucker. Okay, that was almost fatal.
I'm on my island, bro.
Of course you are on his private island.
Shut the f up, bro. Look, you can't get there, haha. Aha.
On vähän pelottava.
Oh yeah. Vector. What the f—
What the fuck would you do that, Kira? I mean L. Actually, I'm losing opportunity for you, bro.
I got— look. Don't worry, I'm a genius. Oh sh—
I shoot too high, Kira.
I tried to shoot the grenade and explode as well. Clear did not work. Bro, I give up. Look at my moveset. What am I supposed to do?
You didn't need all
For fly! Let it run away as fast as possible. What the hell am I supposed to do? Okay.
Depends if I can get you killed.
Yeah, Moro. Oh my days! That's a bullshit.
Kira, you can't beat me because I just hit the jackpot.
I finally got my favorite thing in game, but still useless, honestly. Bye-bye.
Don't do this to me.
Mr.
Magnet on kyllä vähän pelottava.
It's my favorite thing in game, honestly. I like to do a lot of combos with it. What is this music? Oh hell yeah! You've done cooked up, boy. Thank you. You trapped me inside. Yes! According to my plan, boy!
Are you sure?
Yes, I knew it. I was hiding there for a reason.
You have exactly a 67% chance of being Kira.
Get out! I'll send you the atmosphere.
I'm gonna have to jump off.
No, it's mine.
That right there?
Hey, look, I'm on my private island.
No!
You want private island? I escaped on my spaceship from the collapsing planet.
This is some Elon Musk shit. Are you in the closet, Kira?
Shut up! Don't do
There's
that.
nothing to be ashamed of, Kira.
Shut up! It's my planet now, bitch. Whoa, shit!
Kira, what are you doing?
Blowing myself up. I ain't no Kira, bro!
What are you, L?
Finally, on my first day of my life, I got this thing.
Money pump. I can't actually do anything against that, so
Yes! You are cooked, my boy. Boink. This actually might help you, though. Why I do that? Oh, yes!
I can do anything.
Times up is so
You
OP
need
if you had no lethal attacks.
L. You're a LARPer, L.
Shut up!
This is my perfect LARP.
Shut the hell up! Look at this bitch! No! Yes! What?
Oh. Oh, I'm back.
Hello.
Jarvis,
Hello.
wounded out.
Chris. You f***ing Oh, thank you.
Part of you died. Friendly reminder after a part of you died. Nah, I charged it up enough.
Thank you! I don't know how useful that would be. Oh shit. Wait! Oh, it doesn't have my abilities. What the hell, bro? Hello, my friend.
Don't hit me. Oh, they
Thank you, thank you. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
What are you on about, Kira?
I hate Kira, bro. Oh, you got my ability as well, bro. No, no, no. No, no, no.
Why did
Stuck
you do
there
that, Kira?
No,
What are you doing, Kira?
not letting you out. Oh shit, he actually let you out. Thank you.
Kira, what are we
What am
doing,
I supposed to
Kira?
do, bro? What am I supposed to do, bro?
Kira, why the f did you do that, Kira?
Wait. Hold up. Get that thing out of here.
Now you're
Thank
bigger,
you.
bro.
Come here.
No, no.
Come on.
I'm not gonna
Challenge
do
me.
that.
Clash with me. Clash with me. What? That's a
It
bullshit,
ends
bro.
eventually.
Ah.
Try be kind to this man.
You're in prison now, boy. Thank you.
What
I
was
guess. Ah, me, bro. Oh shit, yeah, actually, yeah. Never mind. Now we're both here. You motherf. Oh my god.
Omni man, this man.
Maybe this time you left.
Oh,
Oh, wait, wait. Oh my days!
You can grab a black hole, bro.
You can if it's like really low level. I'm done with you and your son. Thank you.
Man,
I stop this. Oh. Wall of China, my friend. Oh shit! Wow! Stop attacking us, bro. Stop it.
let me reload.
Oh shit, this guy's at infinite ammo. I'm invincible. Oh.
Go ahead.
Oh shit!
I knew you were going to jump, so that's why I shot it that high. Too easy, Kira.
Okay, bro. I got the worst moveset in history. Mother!
I'm just gonna like run around until I can get this.
Take that, bro.
Thank you.
Ooh la la. I'm big chunky man.
Miksi sä on niin big chunky mies?
Kai I can be, bro. Oh man, I had to get up and do nuke.
Bro, I could just had to stoic bomb me.
Stoic.
Ei tuolla taas se mikä mun movesetti on.
Yes! Thank you, I actually needed that so much. Wait, pocket knife? Wait. Why'd you do that?
And please not do this to me, Mac India.
Ah.
Sinkkaan tota.
What the f-
Kira, this is what you choose to do, Kira.
God damn it, bro! I.
Yeah.
Why am I getting cursed with this goddamn awful movesets? Now hide inside here.
Fuck. Are they going? Are
Oh.
they going Brocciini Cappuccini?
Got you. What? Why did I just erase, bro? You mother.
I had to use my chunky ass on you.
I do not know what to do. I got the worst moveset ever. Okay, finally maybe something, but I'll die.
Not if I die first.
Oh, that actually works. No way. I can't do anything. I just gotta cook there, bro.
Like you the one said, welcome to my domain.
He never said that, bro. That's it, amigo.
Yes, he did, bro. She just don't read the manga even.
Planet Buster!
Aika
I need that
kandei,
rock.
huh?
I'm gonna give that rock to you.
As a patka.
I'm leaving this planet.
see-
Goodbye. Thank you.
But here.
You what the hell, bro?
That's
I
this
can.
is my turn. This is my turn.
What? That's a. How's leaving this guy's hands, man? I fully target that shit. This is some. Oh. You absolute little shit. Now let's go.
Purpose of this. How to do
Say-
that? I'm just gonna like walk
Sending you away. No. Ah! No! I got the rock, bro. I wish I got some good combos, but I have nothing lethal, bro. Look at this shit!
Hey, you
Why
got
is
something
the-
that can be lethal all the time. I'm just gonna like.
You motherfucker! Yeah, I had nothing, bro.
Welcome to my domain expansion.
Okay, finally, maybe something. Oh. Oh. Welcome to my domain. Oh.
What you gonna do?
Wait, what if, wait.
Oh no.
This must be planets crashing it. Oh no. Oh. Well.
Yep. Yep.
Well.
You. After this, I'm gonna disappear.
Jotaro. Motherfucker! Stop the recording.